Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to pair your Honor or Huawei wearable device to your phone. So for this video I'm using my Honor Band 6, but if you guys are using any other Huawei or Honor wearable device, this method will work. But you guys are going to need two things. Number one, which is obviously you guys are going to need the wearable device, and number two, make sure you guys have the health app, which is, if you look on the top right corner of my screen, you guys will see the health app. So if you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, this app will automatically come with your phone, and as soon as you turn it on, it'll be already there. But if you guys are using any other Android device, you guys are gonna have to download it from the app store. So it's actually pretty easy to actually pair this device to your phone. But before we get into the video and I show you how to do it, don't forget to drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn your post notifications on by hitting the bell icon down below. And with that, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your health app, make sure your device is turned on. And once you guys open the health app, you guys are going to want, it will ask you to sign in to your using your Huawei ID or Honor ID. Make sure you guys do that. As soon as you do that, you'll be greeted with this screen. And if you guys look at the bottom of the screen, you guys will see there are 5 icons: health, exercise, discover, devices, and me. What you guys want to do is click devices. And if you guys have never connected the devices in this app before, it'll be the same. You just won't have my data band that is already there. I'm just gonna click add device. It'll be the same for you. Click add device. Make sure your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi is turned on. So if you once you guys see the name of your device there, it'll be there. Click link. As you guys see, I'm using my Honor Band 6. Yours will be whatever your model of wearable device is. So as soon as you see that, just click link and click yes. Okay, allow, and let it pair. And if you guys you guys are gonna have to look onto your wearable device. It will ask you whether you can allow it or not. It'll be whether a tick and an X. Make sure you guys click the tick. Once you guys are here, I would recommend and suggest you guys to auto download updates. So check the check boxes and then hit done, and then hit OK. And there you go. That's how you actually connect your wearable device. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys want any more tutorials that you guys want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.